We're here in Norwalk, California, looking at the main electrical panel today. Now this panel has been replaced. This is a 1950s home. This is a relatively new panel. One thing as a homeowner you want to know about is not only the location of your main panel, but all of your circuits as well. Now the main disconnect, which is basically the main switch that controls all the power, is generally going to be the largest breaker in the actual box. It's usually labeled as such. This is a 200 amp service panel, meaning that the service rating of the home is up to 200 amps, which is actually quite a bit for this size of home in particular. Now, as we go down through here, we do have many different smaller circuit breakers. You can see these are all 15 and 20 amp. That's what the number on the top handle of the breaker actually indicates, is the maximum rating for the breaker in amps. One thing that you would like to see in a main service panel is the circuits being labeled. Usually you would see in permanent marker or whatever, labeling as to which circuit breaker controls which circuits inside of the home. Now this is not present at this in this panel, and so we are going to make at least a minor comment notifying the potential homeowner that they should have these breakers labeled.